And the first video or the article I wanted to show you guys is this sand plotter that one of the Hackaday makers made. So the guy called Simon made a plotter using 3D printer parts, and out of it he made like a table. So as you can see, he can basically put whatever shape out of sand he wants on his table. So it can be, I don't know, you can use it for example, to make maybe like a board game table, or design. It's like cool part that you can design your own table every week and you can just change to make it look however you want. According to the article, since Simon already had experience with the CNC motion platforms, it wasn't that hard of a setup, but the main goal he tried to achieve was to make it as silent as possible when the table is kind of moving the sand, that you don't really hear anything. Any comments, guys? Would you like to have a table like that at home?
I've seen, like, wait.
Now he's showing us a boosted board.
Yeah, I was wondering that.
One sec.
It's the same as the ones that are made of sand?
Yeah. Wait.
But it's basically a sand drawer which he has built.
Okay, so it's the same one. Okay.
So he's using a metal ball. He has a magnet hooked up to, I think it was Ender 3 platform. He has hooked up under it.
Yeah.
And it's basically just moving the metal ball through the sand.
Got it.
He was trying to make it like roll through the sand, but that wasn't able, so it's just dragging through it.
So basically it just became one of those sand drawing tables that have
highly sophisticated, super advanced.
Got it. Yeah, it's like
next gen table.
Cool.
All right. But that is the first Maker News article.
Chat said automatic cat litter box.
That would be pretty fun. All right. Let's see what's up. What do we have next? And what do we have next? We got a remote control robot that deals dominoes. So it's another article from Hackaday. This was actually, I really liked it. So the guy designed a robot that you can control over the app, and it can, I think it stores up to 100 domino pieces, and then it perfectly puts them together so you can kind of launch your dominoes to go, you know, in a sequence.
I feel like this is the thing that's been missing, because piling dominoes is the most stressful thing.
You know who's probably pissed right now? All those people who have those championships where they put dominoes one after another carefully to compete, like who has the more.
There's championships.
There, haven't you seen those videos?
No, not
there are
like
videos on YouTube of people like there's actual competitions where they make different type of like arts or like from these dominoes.
Oh, like shapes.
Yeah.
And
then
stuff.
when they start falling, they start forming like a Mona
really
Lisa,
cool
or
ones,
or they make the longest possible.
Oh, so they're actual competitions. Not
Yes,
just some dude.
I think
in
they're
their
like
home.
competition, like who makes the most creative domino, whatever thing. And you know, if there's a robot like that that can do it easily,
yeah, you just tell it to exactly like
do whatever you want.
That's pretty cool, actually.
So yeah, more into this. So it's programmed like an RC car, and it uses Bluetooth for the communication with the phone. I'm trying to see if there's anything about. Yeah, so it's using an Arduino Uno drivers and 2 servers and 1 motor. The 1 to 90 gear motor drives the robot around using a 180-degree servo to a steer. A continuous servo turns the carousel, which holds nearly 140 dominoes. So there you go.
And is this his YouTube channel?
Yeah.
DIY machines?
Yes.
Okay.
For some reason, the sources. So I have a. There should be a text on top showing the sources, but for some reason it doesn't show.
Oh, don't worry. We said it.
Yep. All right. Next up, we've got something that we should probably build in our office. So it's called a teleoperated Lego burglar. So it's a Lego heist bot that steals keys. So a guy made. Let me see if I find his name. Wait.
We should build a machine that steals keys.
I could actually use that.
So the idea with this is he was.
Find them.
So he made a Lego bot that he's able to teleoperate remotely. There's a camera in the bot, and it is so small that you can go through different holes and then go forward inside of a house. Yes?
I'll just
What?
point the microphone more forward. You're talking sideways to it. Thank you.
All right. So as you can see, guys, on the video, he actually is able to go inside of his house. There's a IR camera, so you can see in the dark. And he was able to go up and pick up the keys from the table.
What's the point of this? Just for fun?
I don't know. I think it's cool. Like, it's a cool project. Like, think about it. You can do so much with Lego, first of all.
That's true. Yeah, okay.
And it's teleoperated. Something we really like here at Surrogate.
Yeah.
Like imagine the amount
look at
of
that.
money saved if you could just like burglar your own house keys and not call the like company to come and open
But
them.
look at the amount of engineering that it like goes up
That's
and
true.
then it has like it swings forward. It's crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like that.
actually-
Diesel.
And then
There you
look at
go.
that. Look at that. It's like playing a claw machine, except you're getting your keys.
And then if you lose, you just don't get it back into your home. So, especially if you forgot the keys at home.
Drop it off the counter. Fuck.
And imagine you're nearly there. You're nearly getting to your, and it just falls.
Yeah, it just falls or somehow
Or
disconnects.
black screen, black screen.
Yeah, it disconnects.
But yeah, I think it's a pretty cool project, especially that somebody with Legos at home can do it pretty easily. Let me see if there's any info about. Let me check. I don't think there was any info about the build setup specifically, but there's a wireless camera and use of S-Brick, a third-party Lego accessory which allows remote control of Lego motors.